Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set vibration when ending calls in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That is, if you got the call, then if you feel one vibration, then you can make sure that your call is cut. Okay, so for that, first you go to change some settings in your tablet. First, go to the phone icon here and go to this three vertical dots. Click on settings and click on call alerts and ringtone, and just turn on this option when vibrate when call ends. Okay, now if you end any call, then you will experience one vibration. Okay, I will receive a call now, just wait. I will show a demo. Upon receiving call, I will show the demo. I attend the call. Okay, now I would like to end this call. Okay, so to end, I cut it. I feel one vibration. Okay, so you can make sure that your call is cut by experiencing that vibration. Okay, if you really like this vibration when ending calls, just turn on this settings. That is, go to phone, three dots, settings, then call alerts and ringtone, and make sure that this button is turned on. Vibrate when a call ends. If you turn off it, you will not get any vibration when ending calls. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.